Today I'm going to show you how to fix auto restart problem in your Windows. First, you have to come over into your search option and going to search for CMD. Click as run as administrator, click yes for the permission. And now here we will going to type DISM space slash online space slash clean up dash image space slash restore space health. Or you cannot give the space over here, you can simply close it and then click enter. And as you can see, this functionality takes some minutes to complete. For that, now we're going to minimize it and going for the search option and going to type over here called sysdm sysdm.cpl. Click open, and now what you can do, we can simply go for the advanced section and go for startup recovery. So click on settings, and from here you can see there is an option called system failure, and there is an option auto checked called automatically restart. So we're going to uncheck it and then going to click on OK another time, and then we will going to search for power cfg.cpl, click enter, and now we will going to click on choose what the power button do, click on that, and from here you can simply click on change setting that are currently unavailable. We will going to click on that, and then we'll going to uncheck turn on first startup and then click save changes. And after that, we will go for the CMD prompt another time, and as you can see, now it's running. So it will take some minutes to complete. So as you can see, the operation completed successfully, and now we will going to type our next command called sfc space slash scan now, and then click enter. And now it will take the reboot will be pending, so it's restart Windows and run sfc again. So first you have to restart your PC, and then you can simply type this command and then it will work, and that's it.